everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited today because we are going to do a black owned haul. Okay, I've had some of you send me some items, okay, and also some of these items I've actually purchased myself. So I figured it was time to do a little haul. So super excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the first item that I got is from Flipstick, okay? This is what the packaging looks like, okay? So this, and they sent me two different colors. So these, this sticky part, it's a kickstand and it actually attaches to the back of your phone, okay? I've actually seen this brand on Shark Tank and I was super excited when they reached out to me because I actually was familiar with this brand. But what I love about this is that this kickstand or this contraption here actually sticks to any surface. So you put it on the back of your phone, you can stick it on the wall, and it makes doing things like content creation that much easier, okay? So they've also sent me some stickers here, which is really nice. So, and I believe they sent me a code. So once I find that code, I will put that in the description. But if you're a content creator and you think that you can utilize these flip sticks, be sure to check them out. Use my code at checkout to get a discount. Okay, so I have another package here. And I opened the box, but I have not opened these packages yet. So this is from Kirby Candle Creation. So I'm super excited. I love me some candles. I love me some smell good stuff. So let's see. Oh, wow. I smell it already. Okay, so let's see what goodies were sent. Okay, so first we have, this is candle wax, so for melting, and I love the logo. And it smells so good. It's strawberry flavored. Strawberry paradise. It smells really good. Oh my goodness. I love this. I love it already. Love the packaging. So that's nice. Then she sent, I love the packaging, by the way. It's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my goodness, body butter. Oops. So that's what the packaging looks like. So let me open it. Let me open it. Ooh. Look, so this is also strawberry paradise is the flavor. As you can see, it is pink. And this is what it looks like. Oh, I love this. Okay, hold on, because I needed some. This is whipped body butter, deeply moisturizing and non-greasy. Okay. This looks really good. I mean, this looks like I almost want to eat it, but I know I'm not supposed to. Ooh. Oh, I like this. This sounds so, and it definitely is moisturizing. Okay, body butter. We have body lotion, okay? And this is called Love Spell. This is what the packaging looks like, so let's see. Oh wow. Moisturizing body lotion. The pump is taking a little bit long to come through, but I will try that out later. But it does smell really good. What else is in here? Wow, there's so much stuff in here. I don't know who sent me this. I don't see a card or anything. Okay, so this is shea butter soap and strawberry paradise. So this is also pink. Come on, focus. There we go. I really like this packaging. And it smells really good, so that's cool. What else do we have? We have body spray, Love Spell. This is what it looks like. This packaging is so cute. What else? We have turmeric soap. So some more soap here. This is really cute. I love supporting Black owned brands, so. Oh my God, there's still more stuff. We're not done yet. Okay. This is a candle. This is a love spell candle. Okay. It smells really nice. This is what it looks like. And then, what else do we have? We have, this is another candle. Wow. I'm like putting it to you guys like y'all can smell it. Y'all can't smell it, but this is what, come on, focus. This is what it looks like. So this is really nice. So if you all are interested in body products, lotions, soaps, butters, candles, like be sure to check out, this is Kirby Creations, Kirby Candle Creations. Okay, this is a Black owned brand. Sent me this product. Not sure if they sent me a code or anything to use on their website, but I will definitely link their website below. So I think that was it. That was all in here. So yeah, so thank you so much for sending this to me. I will definitely link your information below. Now I'm gonna do my last unboxing. This is from a brand that I love, okay? I bought 2 items from this brand, so super excited. This is the big box that it came in. Can you all see that? I'm sure you all familiar with Hanifa. This is one of my favorite designers. I have quite a few pieces from her just line and her brand overall. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna do a try on haul for just so that you guys can see the collection that I've been able to acquire over the past several years, okay? But I do want to show you at least what dresses I got, okay? And so some of the dresses, obviously I opened it and tried it on already, okay? But I do just want to show you guys. So this particular dress, and I'm gonna pop up on one of these sides what it looks like on the model. I know you guys have seen this. I know you guys have seen this, okay? Let me tell you, when I tell you Hanifa is a beast when it comes to knitwear, like literally there is nothing like it. Like the quality of this is so impeccable, and it's so interesting. When this dress first came out, I fell in love with it. However, I waited to get it. And the reason why I waited to get it is because I needed to see how the girls were styling this dress, and not necessarily styling, but just how were they wearing it in terms of undergarments, because as you can see, it's a little sheer, it's a little see-through, and you know, the girls with the big chest, you know, my big chested girls, as I'm struggling in this top that I'm wearing, you know, I just can't let it all hang. You know, I need some sort of support and undergarments. So it's interesting because I had another brand reach out to me to send me something that I think actually works perfect for me to actually wear this dress. And so when I went on the site, of course there was only one left, and it just happened to be in my size. So I was like, you know what? This is a sign. This is a sign, I need to get it. And so I went and I got it. I absolutely love it. I did try it on, but I'm actually going to do a try on haul for you guys in a different video, okay, to show you all of the Hanifa pieces that I have. So love this dress. Super excited that I got it. Again, I'm gonna put the picture so that you see what it looks like, because I know I'm sitting down, this like actually does no justice, but I got this, so I wanted to include this in my haul, okay? So the next dress that I got as well, and I have been, every time I want to get this dress, it completely goes out of stock, and I'm just like, I hate it. I hate that it always goes out of stock, but came back in stock and I was able to get my hands on it. So I'm super excited, and I'm absolutely, I know y'all know what this is. Okay, hold on. Let me find. Y'all know what this dress is. Don't play with me. Y'all know what this dress is, okay? Y'all know what this dress is. So I'm gonna, it really looks like a blanket. but this is knitwear. This is like, it's a halter knitwear. I love this color. Anifa has this dress in actually a blue as well, which is pretty, but this color on my skin, okay. And it's so interesting because I feel like I don't have anywhere to wear these pieces, but I am about to be bad and bougie in my own home, okay? As you can see, I have been doing some more updates. I have not showed you guys, but coming soon, I promise. Like, it's been a lot going on. I'm gonna do a whole like house tour very soon, but I'm really giving off black girl luxury, okay? And you know, I just imagine me waking up, putting on this designer gown, walking down my steps, and just living my best bougie lifestyle, okay? That's the stage of life that I'm in right now, and I am loving it. So I'm gonna again put up what this dress actually looks like on the side, but I'm so excited to have this. So we're gonna do a haul in my next video. Stay tuned. But that was it for this one. So I'll be doing unboxings once a month on my channel for black owned brands, okay, for free. So if you are a black owned brand and would like to be featured, be sure to follow the instructions down in the description in order to do so, okay? So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.